Okay, this is a 37 LaSalle?
No, 1936.
36 LaSalle.
And it's a straight 8. This was the last year for the straight 8. The next year, LaSalle or Cadillac went back to the V8. And so they were straight 8s, and they were basically high-performance straight 8s because they were, you can lay this back over here, and just let it go. The high-performance V8s, they had a good, strong straight 8 automobile motor, so they took that motor and put bigger pistons and stroked and balanced it and put a high compression head and different carburation, and that became the motor for these 1934 through 36 LaSalle cars. This one is an original car from Colorado, and it's another cancer-free car. It has been here a few years, but we'll show you the Colorado license plate when it's ready to put up there. It can be a great car again. Great car. It's the muscle back or hump back.
Muscle back, hump back.
Muscle back, yes, same deal. We'll open up the door here. Let you look in there. Got a all original dash.
Look at that! Look at that fan right there.
Yeah, 6-volt air conditioning.
How about that?
All there. A lot of interesting things there with that car. Now it's looks the same on both sides, but we will look. We'll walk back up here. We'll show you the Colorado plate. And maybe you saw it, but when you didn't get a close of it, it proves where it came from and the ownership.
And tell me again about this green car here.
Okay, that's a 1952 Chrysler. It had a flathead motor before the big Hemis. But it basically was the same body that the Hemis came up with in that same time frame. This particular one is a real straight rust-free car. Very rare. The hardtop, full hardtop is unusual. More like a convertible, but it does have the factory electric windows in it. And you're looking at the famous Ram picture here of this hood ornament. We can get it uncovered.
You just recently got these out of storage,
yeah,
you said?
we had them in a big building immediately next door. These were 2-acre lots, and this came from a big barn over next door. Lots of good items here, include decent chrome. The car does have a title, good Texas title.
All right, and
Not be in trouble
is this
with
another LaSalle here,
that.
Jim?
No, that is a 1934 Cadillac. It's a 4-door sedan. It turns out to be the flat back or slant back of this particular series. It has the wire wheels. We'll open up the door in a minute and show you that, but it's a Texas car. I also have a title for it. We apologize, we don't have it uncovered so you can get a better view, but this would make a great car. There's a license plate for it, and you can take a few minutes and uncover and then open up and let you look on the inside. It's worth the work. Anybody looking for a rare item, there's a Hudson part.
Is that off the
It's
the
a Hudson
wheel?
Essex. Yeah, that's the part of the wire wheel and the hub.
Okay.
The old traditional cap. Now look at that dash and all, how nice all of that is. These cars were pretty astonishing in that they had 3-level ride control. Soft, medium, and hard.
Really?
And so they were back in the 30s, 34, 35. Caddy had power brakes. They had power assist brakes in this time frame as well. So they were moving right along, and then this transmission, they bragged on it. It had full synchromesh, so that the women could drive it without crunching the gears.
Oh, okay.
You can see all the lighting and all the different controls.
What is that right there?
Oh, another hubcap, another headlight.
Headlight?
Yeah, another headlight
Gotcha.
assembly. This is cars had an option. They started the streamlining, and they had this type of cover-up wheel cover if you want. If you didn't want to see the spokes, this is what they
Okay.
had. So a person can cover up their spokes with that hubcap, and then put the small hubcap right over it. So
Change the
And you
look
might-
of the wheels just with the wheel cover.
yeah, that's right. Now you might notice that the car still has the original color. Never has been painted. There's a surface rust, but that's an easy fix. Good primer, good cleaning, good primer. And back to the original color with the, and of course the chrome still.
Still in place.
So we'll show you a motor that's
Open.
that's here that's like that car while we walk around. Now you might want to douse it for a minute.